All right, welcome back. So today is delivery day. So I did a couple videos on this vehicle on ITV number 40. A gentleman in Texas donated it to the Young America's Foundation. They're the caretakers, the owners of the Reagan Ranch, which is up here in Goleta, California. And I am all done with it, and I'm delivering it. So we towed it up here to Solvang last night, and this morning we're going to meet up with them, and we're going to drive this up into the mountains, up to the ranch. So it's going to be a great day. We're going to get a tour of the ranch, and going to be able to deliver this growler, which is going to be a tool for them. They're going to use this on the ranch for maintenance, and it should be a really cool vehicle to add to their collection. They have a few other vehicles there that were Ronald Reagan's. They have a Subaru that he used to drive before he was president. They have a Jeep that he owned up there on the ranch, and they have a Humvee up there. I think it's a 1986 Humvee, so it's one of the first ones, because the Humvees came out in 1984. This is an 86, and it's the one that the Secret Service used when whenever they were up there with the Reagans at the ranch. So it'll be pretty cool. So it's going to be a real honor to see the ranch and to see where the Reagans lived when they weren't in the White House. It's what they called the Western White House while he was president. And it's going to be really cool to be able to see what the Young America's Foundation is doing up there. And glad to be able to help and support them.
So that's the Humvee that was on loan from the Navy to the Secret Service, used from 86 to 89 up here, and returned to the Navy. And it was used by the Seabees. It was outfitted as an amphibious vehicle. It was really shredded. Came back here on a flatbed truck with a steering wheel and front seat, no engine, but now restored completely to working order. Actually, the Santa Maria Police Department restored it for us. They had an amazing operation up there for a while. It got shut down. They were building ex-military vehicles for law enforcement agencies all over the state.
Yeah, back when it works, you were a kid.
That's fabulous. So everything in here was owned by the president, Gipper's Chipper over there. Thing in the back. Yeah. Okay. But I don't think it was that much. So just like the home, everything you see in the tack barn is original to the ranch, just like he left it. The brat was a gift to former governor in the late 70s. Subaru was testing these out here in California in the desert. They called it testing to destruction. But friend and colleague of Ronald Reagan's, Dick Allen, who became his first national security advisor, was working for Subaru at the time, but the vehicles are still usable after they're done. So he said, why don't you give one of these to the former governor? And it was brought here to the ranch, used mostly by his ranch manager, occasionally by the president, but you will not see a single picture of Ronald Reagan with this vehicle.
Because it was an import.
It was a Japanese car in the 1980s, so it's definitely should be seen with the Brat, the Subaru. But the 62 Willis is the Jeep he loved to take out. Of course, as president, you're not allowed to get behind the wheel of a vehicle on public roads, so this was the place he could drive himself.